Here's how I make blueberry orange muffins. They taste good and they're healthy. First, I turn on the oven so it can heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I get all of the measuring spoons and cups ready. Now, it's time to gather all the ingredients. Before I do anything else, I wash my hands. Then I start to prepare the ingredients. I begin by cutting the butter into pieces. This way, it will melt easier when I put it into the microwave. After that, the melted butter has time to cool off. Next, it's time to wash the blueberries and gently pat them with a paper towel so they have a chance to dry. Now is a good time to pick off any stems. The last thing to prepare are the muffin tins. I put in paper muffin cups. I could use nonstick cooking spray, but I like using the paper cups better. Now I can start putting the wet ingredients into a bowl. First, I put in the orange juice concentrate. Then I add the milk. Now I add the melted butter that has been cooling. Next, the vanilla. I crack an egg into a different bowl. The egg looks okay, so I add it to the bowl of other wet ingredients. Then I whisk it all together. Now it's time to start mixing the dry ingredients. I begin by adding the oat flour. Next, I add the sugar, along with some baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Lastly, I add the cinnamon. I mix all the dry ingredients together with a spatula. Now I can pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I stir everything together with the spatula. The muffin batter looks good. I add the blueberries. I gently fold them into the batter. I fill each muffin cup about 3/4 full. I put the muffin tin into the oven for 15 minutes. When the timer rings, I put a toothpick into one of the muffins to check if they're done. The muffins are ready to come out of the oven. They cool in the muffin tin for 5 minutes. Then I dump them out onto the cooling rack. Ta-da! Orange blueberry muffins.